Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not launching on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve not launching on Facebook app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can search about Facebook app and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.